Welcome back. In this lesson we are going to create a workflow, and the workflow is going to grab those three emails and will convert them into a drip campaign. Let's begin. First of all, I'm going to the settings icon on the top and I'm going to the workflow rules. Now, if you don't have a quality CRM license, so you're using the free version or something like that, you will not have those options. Actually, most of the stuff that I showed you so far will probably not be there, including the email relay. So if you do have a good CRM version, you can click on the workflow rules and then you click on create rule. At the top, I will select the module, and I hope that by now you understand that we are working on the leads module. And I will write here the name of the workflow will be drip campaign for a new lead. And we'll click on next. The idea is to initiate this drip campaign whenever the lead is created. And this is the first section, the when. The when will be on creation. So whenever a lead is created, this is when this workflow is taking place. And I will click on next. Next, there are some conditions here. For example, I don't want to send emails to people that opt me out of the email, which means they express that they don't want to get any emails from me. I don't want to send an email to lost leads or maybe junk leads. So all those, I don't want them. So in the criteria, first of all, I will select that opt out is not selected, which means they did not express that they want to exclude me. I will also have here the lead status is not junk lead or lost lead. The rest of the leads will be in the process, and that's fine. But the ones that don't want to see my emails, I will not send it to them. The last thing that you will need to do, you see you have and, we'll need to change it to or. So if the email is opt out or the lead status is lost or junk, but not both of them, okay? And that will cover me from all the angles, so I will not send to people that don't want my content. Next. Now we are going to click on notify and we are going to create an email notification. Now you can ask yourself, we already created an email template. Why do we need to do this again? Because we already created one. Why can't we just use the template that we already created? The answer is that we are not really going to create an email template right now. We are going to create a package. This package will have who is going to send the email, who is going to receive the email, and also which email template we are going to use. Okay, so this is some kind of a package that contains everything. When I'm clicking on create email notification, I will probably want to use the same email names that I used on the email template. So I will go to the email templates again and I will copy the name new lead promotion, just so I will have a unified naming convention in the system. The email recipients will be the lead email, the person email, okay? And that's the lead email. If you want to send it to more people, like the lead owner, the person who is sending the email, you can send it as well. But right now we're sending it only to the lead email because this is usually how it works. And I'm going to click on select template. And as you can see here, you can see the lead promotion template. If you're not sure if this is the correct one, you can always click on preview and it will show you the email template. Let's click on new lead promotion, and here in the from you can select the user email, which is my email, or you can select the record owner email. The record owner email will assure that if you have, let's say, 20 different salespeople, this email template will be sent from the correct salesperson mailbox and not from mine, because you want to connect with the person and create relationship. If the emails will start going and coming from different people, that's a mishmash. It doesn't work. This is not how you create relationships. And let's click on Save and Associate. Now we have the first email. Whenever a lead is being created and it does not exclude us, or is not dead or junk lead, is going to get an instant action. Immediately will get an email notification. Next, we are going to the scheduled actions. I would like to have the next email being sent after 3 days, and then I will click on next. And as you can understand, I am going to create another notification email. I am going to get the email of the next one, which is after 3 days. I am going to create an email notification, this package that I talked about it before. I'm going to have the email of the lead. I am going to select the template that was 3 days after, and I'm going to select the record owner email and Save and Associate. Now on the bottom you can see Add New Scheduled Action. I will click on that, and now I will select 7 days, and now I click on next. Going to notify by email. That will be another email notification, and that will be 7 days. I am going to assign the lead email, and we are going to select this template, which is after 7 days, and I am going to use the record owner email. So as you can see, this is how you build a drip campaign in Zoho CRM. Now, when you are connecting the workflow together with the email relay, you are going to achieve great deliverability together with great functionality. The only downside, the email reports are suck. They are not good. So you're getting deliverability, you're losing on the reporting side. In the next lesson, I am going to show you how you can take advantage of the automation and know when someone opened or clicked on an email, and based on that to achieve some functionality. So you can do some reporting using the hack that I'm going to show you, but it's not something crazy, it's not amazing, but still it's something doable. I will see you in the next lesson.